Hello again and welcome back to my Dusty Builder channel. So we're in my shower and we're tiling and it's going really well in large part because I took the time and effort to make sure that my walls were nice and flat. But they didn't start out that way. From the ceiling to the floor, these walls were off over an inch. They were a real mess. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that I took to make sure that my walls were nice and flat and ready for tile. If you have a situation like this yourself, this will be a good resource. Check it out. As you can see, yeah, that's not good. So if all our existing walls are plumb, but this wall is not, it's possible we could have a funny cut in the corner here. You could probably try to hide it, but it's so easy to fix an out of plumb wall. We're just going to go ahead and do that. And they're all pretty much out of plumb. I think one was really bad. Let's see this guy. Yeah, I mean, so that's what we're dealing with here. And then again, the walls that we framed, nice new walls. Where are we at here? Yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, so the way we're going to fix this, we're going to put a new stud on this side of the shower and a new stud on that side of the shower, and we're going to make them perfectly plumb. And then we're going to stretch a string line from one to the other. And then we're going to put a few more studs in here too. All right, we want to make this one perfectly plumb. Okay, I got my string up top. As you can see, this one's pretty fine. We didn't expect to see much different from here. And then even in the middle, the string is fairly close with the old ones. Like we're right on there, but we're in a little. See, this one's okay. That one's in a little. Of course, we're right on here, but things get real dicey down here. And again, so this new one's plumb, and look, man, we are off just a country mile there. We're off like, I don't know. This one's way off. I mean, off. And that one's just, our new one's just in. You can see our old ones are just way off. All right. So we have to add, let's see where I'm at. We have to add another one here, probably another one here, just so our layout works out okay. Then we're going to have to figure out something to do with this inside corner because this is in the way. We might just cut like a sliver and glue it on, but this is the idea using the string.
If you plan on using Curdy board or whatever kind of waterproof system, they offer a suggestion on how to fix out of plumb walls by using thin set. Now this can work if your walls are off just a little bit. However, your best chance of success for a good tile install is to do what I did and sister and new joist and just make sure that it's perfect before you try to, use thin set to shim out walls. That'd be tough. Now you can see I used a level and I found that I did have a small hump in this wood. Even though we installed it plumb, there's a small hump in it. It's still a natural material, so I'm using a planer to fix it. Present me is currently doing this voiceover, and I'm very thankful that past me took the extra time and effort to make sure these walls were flat. I'm doing a tile in this area right now, and I'm doing a herringbone pattern, and I am just very glad that I took the extra time and effort to make sure that these walls were flat.
All right, we cleaned up after whittling away some of our high spots, and we have our studs in place. So we're going to use this straight edge and see how we did.
Using the level, we can confirm that the area is flat. You can see that the new wood is touching the level, except for this spot over here in the corner. Again, this wood is a natural material. Although it is plumb, there was a slight curve in the middle. So that would be a spot where if you're using the Curdy board, you could use thin set. I'm using cement board, so I'm going to fill that small void with just a little PL Premium. Make sure you follow along. We have to install some cement board, and then we're going to waterproof it all with Curdy membrane. And through the wonders of the internet, my wife discovered the herringbone pattern, so we get to install that. So make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you.